Guys, what's up? It's Dakota from The Benefits Boss. Hope you guys are crushing today. We've been hearing that people want to see the difference between Blue Cross and UnitedHealthcare, right? Like two big companies across the country, Blue Cross and UnitedHealthcare. Like, what's the difference? Is there one better? If not, here's the deal, guys. Here's the truth. Back when they passed the marketplace or Obamacare, Affordable Care Act, whatever you want to call it, they essentially made like a set of rules that essentially all carriers have to follow, right? Like covering all of your wellness, covering all pre-existing. They can't decline people. So really, all these companies are mandated by the same things now. So a lot of them cover the same things. Really, the difference is two things, right? Let's jump over to the computer, okay? So I got someone here. This is Texas, someone in their 40s, and here it depends on people's incomes on what prices are going to be, right? But here's some Blue Cross and here's some United Healthcare plans. Now, you'll notice a couple things with them, right? It depends on the state, but most of them are all HMOs, okay? This is kind of important because it's not the worst thing if your doctors are like in network, like it's not the end of the world. But if you are traveling outside the state, this is kind of important. Emergencies are covered, doesn't matter because of the network. But if you want to get care covered, it's not, right? You have to come back to your state to get it covered, right? The second thing is sometimes it makes every visit, depending on the provider, a two-part visit because you have to get a referral, right? Like you go to a PCP, like a general doctor, and they have to refer you to a specialist. So that doesn't matter between Blue Cross or United. That same thing has to happen, right? So that's kind of annoying. But they both will cover your pre-existing, okay? Now, both of them, as you can see, here's a Blue Cross. Here, let's go to compare mode, and let me show you what's going down here. Let's just pull up a Blue Cross and a United. Blue Cross left-hand side, United right-hand side, right? Both have this. This is the most important number on any insurance plan, your max out-of-pocket, right? This is the most one person has to pay in 1 year before they pick up everything, right? So they're both the same. Well, $50 more on United, right? But the thing is, you're going to hit this number regardless of what happens because if you spend any time in the hospital, the bills are like loco. They're crazy, right? So that's that. The second thing is they both cover wellness, 100% for free, okay? Physicals, mammograms, colonoscopies, anything wellness related, 100% for free. Now, just looking at these two plans, I would say United's a little bit more. It's a little more money, but it is a little bit better. It's a free visit at the doctor, but it's a trade-off, right? What this 40% after deductible saying is, we're just going to get the network discount at the doctor, right? Now, usually the network, let's pull up a quick bill, brings down about 40 to 60% off the bill, right? Once they go in. Let me find us an actual EOB here. We just updated the computer. And this might be a big claim, it might not. Yeah, this is a big claim, right? So it doesn't always work like this, but bill was 54 grand, God bless. They knocked off 34,000. So the PPO has, or the network, HMOs, they all have network discounts. They have a lot of power behind them because the network's saying, hey, you guys at the hospital can only charge this much cash, right? You can't charge what you want to. So networks are really important, but the network is still going to kick in and cover the help cover the bill. Let me jump back to the screen here. Check this out. Yeah, so the copay, if you're just getting network discounts, probably going to be like $100 to $200 for like a specialist, versus Blue Cross is just a flat $100, right? So if you need specialty, Blue Cross wins. If you need just regular doctor visit, United wins, right? This is why it's really important for someone to customize because there's a lot of numbers going down here. Generic drugs, $3 on United and $25 on Blue Cross. Urgent care is the same, right? $75. So, but you're paying like $50 more. So $600 more to get free visits, right? So always the question is, right? Evaluate how much you're going to save per year on a plan, right? So like in this case, and I wouldn't recommend this, I'm just pulling two examples. If we were going to do the Blue Cross and we were going to save $600 a year, the question is, would you use that savings and benefits? You know, like, are you going to go to the doctor that much to save $600? If not, it's always best to like take the lower plan, and then you can always upgrade later. You know what I'm saying? Everything's month to month, so we can move you as changes need to be. Now, what's interesting with this overall rating thing, like, I don't think the marketplace like really rates well. So this 3 stars are not great. And here's the deal: if you look up like any insurance company, Blue Cross, Texas reviews, they get absolutely slapped. I don't know what we need to call it, but I mean 1.7, it's not great. Look up UHC reviews, Texas. Let's see if something comes up. 3.6. You know, so I mean that's Indeed. So Consumer Affairs, it's a 1.62, right? Like, people don't usually have good, it doesn't matter the carrier, good experience. I mean, you'll find good or bad, but people are leaving reviews are typically not having a good experience. It's why it's really important. It comes down to the agent, like placing you with the right carrier, because here's the deal. Carriers are going to do good stuff. Sometimes they're not going to do some good stuff. You need someone in your corner to help you fight the system, because it's not only the provider or the carriers, it's also the providers, like the hospital systems, the facilities. Like, everyone's trying to bill you. Like, it's crazy. Like, it's just a broken world, right? And so you need someone there to fight for you. But guys, if you need insurance at all, United, Blue Cross, if you're looking for a plan, hit us up. We'll give you a free consultation. We'll build you a free plan, and you're in the driver's seat. We let you customize it. So, guys, good to connect. I hope this brought you value, and we'll see you guys soon. All right, bye.